Good morning or good night, everyone. It's very late. I just got in from church and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna do a quick dish, and I'm gonna make what I would describe as ghetto pho. All right, pho is or Asian soup that they use noodles and they just add raw ingredients, pretty much raw vegetable ingredients into a noodle. I'm using ramen. No, most people say they don't really want a ramen because it's not good for you, whatever, whatever. But in the lateness of the night, yeah, you have to just work with where you have to work with right now. So this is pretty much what I'm gonna add. Some onions, green peppers, scallions. I have cabbage. I have a little bit of broccoli, a little carrot. As I said, it's ghetto. It's a ghetto pho. All right, PHO pho. And that's what me I go work for 9 night. I'm hungry. You understand? So watch it. Dinner I go make. Remember. I also have a piece of what them call Sausalito deli turkey meat. Yeah, I find that in the fridge, so I'm gonna use that too. And I have eggs that I'm gonna use as well. So let me see if I can put this recipe together and get something to eat before I go to bed. So here I have some water in a little saucepan, and I'm gonna add the package from the ramen, to make my broth. All right. I usually use the package, but in this case, I want the broth to not be too dense, or too dark. Normally I would put some soya sauce and stuff, but I don't really want it so dark, because I realize that when you watch the oriental version of pho being cooked, and I stand to be corrected on the pronunciation, it's pretty much that the broth is a light colored liquid, and so I'm giving you mainly what I see as the methodology, yeah, the methodology of making this soup. You can be flexible with the ingredients. All right. So I'm putting this water to boil, and as soon as the water boils or reach to a boiling point, I'm gonna add my ramen. I can add it now, and the ramen is just gonna. I have to cook this, so I start with that first, all right, and then the rest of it you will see as we go along. Let me empty out all of the little baby ramen them out of this. The little broke up pieces, you know. All right. All right, so my noodle is almost done, and this is where my egg are gonna come in now. All right, I'm gonna tap the egg or broke the egg and put it in that. Sort of like mimicking an egg drop soup. All right, I'm gonna make my egg poach. I poach the word, right? Right. So I'm just gonna let the egg poach in this liquid, and me not gonna trouble it too much. Yeah, because I want it to stay there and poach. And then we compile the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so these are the only two things that really and truly is gonna be cooking over the fire, so to speak. Alright, and the egg is optional. Alright? When the next step is to fix up the thing. So my egg is poached, and now I'm just gonna transfer everything to a plate. And then I'm gonna add all of my ingredients. All right. I over here I have some lettuce that I chopped, two different kind of lettuce. I'm gonna add those, but let me just add them one. You just put in the ingredients them, and this is pretty much what the pho entails. If you watch the Oriental videos, you will see, they just add the rest of ingredients. Of course, their ingredients varies based on availability and the fact that this is not the ghettoized version.
It's not, or it is?
Oh, this is. For them one is not. Mine is. You know, my cabbage, thinly sliced. My broccoli, florets, my green onions, sprinkled, my sweet pepper slices, and my lettuce.
That's your take.
Yeah, my take on pho. Alright, as I said, I stand for be corrected on the words. But this is a hearty broth.
How you do not cuss?
Me not go cuss. Oh, you mean not cuss bad word? Not say the FU word? You know? And it's a late night thing. It's like a hangover food. And I'm telling you folks, it smell good. It look like it might taste good. And I can't wait to dig in. And exactly like how you see me doing it, maybe me have too much stuff in it though. Chew my craving, don't it? I chew my craving, no, seriously.
I plead the fifth.
She want to say yes, folks, but you know, to make me feel bad. But it look green and pretty and nice. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. My delicious pho, ghetto pho, I call it. And this is my late night eatings. Yardie belly in a foreign, remember me tell you. And the wife says she don't want none, but she looking though with intent. Oh, I totally forgot that I was putting in some of the deli turkey. So I'm add it right now. Yeah. Everybody go cuss. And say I'm craving, but hey, if you know what I know, you will put it in there too. Alright? So that's how we do it. Get a pho. Yardie belly in a foreign, remember. Oh, piece drop around here, so you know. Put it in here. Yeah. Stay there. On my table. One more to no business. Too much, man. Oh, Lord. I mean, I eat all the whole light, you know. That's the thing about it. That the vegetable is good for the structure.